In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a quote on your Squarespace page step by step to ensure you have a seamless and productive experience. As we go through this process, keep in mind that it's designed to be both straightforward and approachable, whether you're a seasoned Squarespace user or just getting started. First, let's begin by logging into your Squarespace dashboard. You can do this by going to Squarespace's main website and logging in with your username and password. Once you've entered your details and hit that login button, you'll find yourself at your Squarespace dashboard, a central hub for managing all your Squarespace projects. Next, it's time to select the website you'd like to work on. If you have multiple websites, you'll see them all listed here. Simply find the one that you'd like to edit today. Now that you've identified the website you wish to edit, click on the website's title to access its settings and content. Once you're inside your chosen website, proceed to click on Pages. This option is readily visible and will take you to a list of all the pages that currently exist on your website. This interface is where you'll spend a lot of your time managing and adjusting the different sections of your site. Now, locate the page that contains the quote you need to edit. After you find it, click on that page to bring it into view. You'll notice an Edit button at the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click Edit, and you'll enter the editing mode specific to that page. With editing mode active, it's time to navigate to the quote itself. Simply click on the quote you'd like to modify. Doing so will automatically highlight the text and present you with a toolbar at the top of the screen. This is the toolbar essential for making adjustments to the content. On this toolbar, you'll see an option that says Edit. Click it, and you'll activate the text editing feature. This allows you to make whatever changes are necessary to the quote. Whether you're correcting text, updating a message, or enhancing the style to match your site's aesthetic. Feel free to take your time during this step to ensure the quote perfectly aligns with your vision. Once you have finished making the desired edits, remember to save your work. This is crucial because you want to ensure that none of your changes get lost. Located at the top left of your screen once again, you'll see the Save button. Clicking this will confirm and apply your changes to the live site. And there you have it, your step-by-step guide to editing a quote on your Squarespace page. Remember, the key to mastering Squarespace is practice and exploration. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!